Hey guys, do you know about AI tools, especially Bing? What are AI tools and how does Bing use them? In this video, we will tell you how AI tools work and how they can help you. AI tools are special programs that use artificial intelligence to do different kinds of tasks for you. They help you search the web, create images, write content, and complete other creative and innovative tasks. Bing is a famous AI tool that provides you with the faculty of searching the web. Bing's aim is to show you the best results according to your search. Bing has different AI tools inside it that give you features like web search, image search, news search, and graphic art. Web search means that you get information about different websites on the web. Bing shows you the titles, summaries, and URL of the websites. You can click on these URL to see the websites. Image search means that you get information about different images on the web. Bing shows you the titles, URL, and related searches of the image. You can click on this URL to see the image. News search means that you get information about different news on the web. Bing shows you the titles, summaries, sources, and thumbnails of the news. You can click on these URLs to see the news. Graphic art means that you get information about different images that are not on the web but are created by Bing. Bing uses a special AI tool that creates a graphical artwork according to your given prompt. You can see this graphical artwork and enhance your creative skills. In this video, we have told you about AI tools and Bing. We hope that you liked this video. If you want more information, then subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much.